Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Governor, today is a great day for Lagos. The substantial completion of civil infrastructure for the first phase of Lagos Rail Mass Transit, Blueline Rail. He sees transportation as one giant component for any economy to thrive, and hence it is the first pillar of the theme's developmental agenda for Lagos.
Your name will forever be remembered for the commitment you have deployed to ensuring that this infrastructure is completed.
We are making a remarkable history on the final infrastructure completion of yet another historic rail line, the phase 1 of the Blueline Lagos Mass Transit Corridor. Let me make it clear that today is not the official commissioning. It is the inauguration of the infrastructure completion. We will now commence the test running of the line.
Welcome to Blue Line train. This train runs from Okoko Michael to Marina.